What's up, y'all? Everybody's been asking since we had our crawfish eating contest, how do you eat crawfish so fast? Well, this is my technique. So, number one, you always pick the biggest crawfish out of the pile. So right now, I got two big daddies. So, I'd say I'm going with this one. So, of course, here, you wanna come around this way so you can see? Here, let's trade. Let's trade. All right. Man, that's a huge crawfish. All right, so I always grab here, break the tail out of there, all right? Then normally I'll suck the head, which I grab here on the top, and I'm trying to crack it as I suck the juice. Did you hear that? All the juice just came out of there. Oh my goodness. So then I'm gonna go in on the tail. So I wanna get my bottom teeth right in there. Then I'm gonna pinch down here and let up, all right? So I'm gonna look. Get in there, pinch. Boom, boom. All right, here's the secret. On the claws, big old claws, I try to break them like that. If I don't get the juice, or if I don't get the meat out of there, I'm good with it. Let's see if this one will go. Man, these are so big, I can't do it. So guess what? You really don't get much when that happens. Let's try it again. Boom, you always get the biggest one. Crack. Bottom teeth. Boom. Take the head. Woo! Now we try. I'm trying to pinch down right in here, not like on the part right there, but right here. I'm trying to get it to break like that, so I get a little bit of meat out. Now I use like this, like a straw. See the meat in there? Use that like a straw for the head. Hear that coming out of there? It's all that hidden juice. All right, boom, bottom. Trying to put my thumb in there, crack. Oh, see, I got a little, I'm happy with that. And then listen to this, coming through the head. And that is how you do it. Only got a medium one left, so boom, boom. So that's how you eat a crawfish at the shed, and they're wonderful.